Hey, this is Mrs. Weethy with Lesson 2 in the unit Stoichiometry, which we're going to look at the approach to problem solving, which is really a little bit of a review because we have used this approach before. You're going to be able to identify the given and unknown, write a plan, and then convert grams to moles and moles to grams. So let's get started. First, we have a 4-step general approach for problem solving. The first step is to clearly identify the unknown, maybe unknowns as the problem may have, and the units that are involved. Second is to identify the given and its units. Third is to make a plan, start with the given and work towards the unknown with the units only. And last is to actually solve the problem, use the conversion factors, which are the ratios, and their units to convert what is given into what is the unknown quantity. Okay, so let's look at a sample problem. Sam has entered into a 10-mile marathon. Use all of the following conversions ratios to determine how many inches there are in the race. Now the conversions are these equality statements. 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. 12 inches equals 1 foot. Remember, when you use a conversion factor, use an equality statement, the conversion factor is going to have the unknown unit on the top, the given unit on the bottom, always. So what do we know? The unknown, which is inches. We know the given, which is 10 miles, and we need to make a plan. So we start with the given unit, which is miles. We convert the given unit to feet, and then from feet we can convert that to inches. Now we can use our conversion factors, the ratios, to solve the problem. Start with the given, 10 miles. We are going to multiply that by the conversion factor that's going to give us feet, which is 5,280 feet over 1 mile. Then you're going to divide out the common unit, which is miles. Then we're going to multiply by the conversion factor to give us inches, which is 12 inches over 1 feet. Divide out the common unit, that leaves us with inches. Do your math, and we get 633,600 inches. Units match. Now let's apply this to converting grams to moles. We want to know how many moles there are in 5.17 grams of, and this compound's name is called ferrocene. So our unknown is moles of ferrocene. Our given is 5.17 grams of ferrocene. Our plan is to simply go from grams to moles. So it's a one-step problem. What we need to do, however, is we need to find the molar mass or the formula mass of ferrocene to convert the grams to moles. Anytime, and it doesn't matter what kind of problem you have, anytime you have grams in the given or grams in the unknown, you're going to need the formula mass of that substance. So we have the ferrocene. There are 10 hydrogens, there are 10 carbons, and 1 iron. Add those all up to 2 decimal places, and that gives us 185.97 grams over 1 mole. That is the unit, grams over 1 mole. Now notice the 1 isn't written, it's inferred. So applying this to the problem, we're going to multiply by that conversion factor, unknown unit on the top. So we're going to flip that and have 1 mole over 185.97 grams. So you're going to divide by that number, round to the correct number sig figs, which would be 3. Divide out the unit, grams, and that will give us 0.0278 moles of ferrocene. Okay, units match, we're good to go. And that is our very quick unit on the approach to problem solving.